I see this one mistake cost commercial business owners thousands of dollars every year when it comes to flood insurance. Technically, it's two things. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly the impact these two things could have on your profit per door. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Chris with the Flood Insurance Guru. And today, I'm here telling you exactly what you need to avoid as a commercial building owner to stop your flood insurance either from skyrocketing or being stuck with a property that you can't sell. That is, additions to a property or improving a property a certain percent. So what happens is the federal government looks at these things as additions or what's called substantially improved, which means more than 50% of market value. We see this a lot when people gut a building and they improve it. Here's the problem. Let's say that building's built in 1950. Federal flood insurance program looks at it now as it may be built in 2025 or 2026 now. Guess what? That means floodplain management guidelines are different today than they were 60, 70 years ago. This means if you've got a basement on this property, maybe a crawl space, you might have to fill it in. You may have to raise the property. In fact, we saw this happen with a property owner when they were not aware of these floodplain management guidelines. It ended up costing them an extra $100,000 because they had to raise their property 4 feet. So you want to avoid this as a commercial building owner. When you're looking at making additions or improving a building, take these into consideration. Speak to an insurance agent, speak to the local floodplain manager when deciding if it's going to be worth it or not. Now here's a cool thing. In the description of this video, you can actually download our guide for real estate investors to help you avoid these major headaches. We help people with that every day here at the Flood Insurance Guru, whether it's deciding if you're going to buy a property in a flood-prone area or renovate it or do whatever. Hit share, subscribe, and like the channel below to find the same valuable content that we put out for commercial real estate investors like yourself every week. Thank you for watching.